The IRS is advising that improperly forgiven Paycheck Protection Program loans are taxable. Those are your PPP loans. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking news alerts and updates. Make sure you're watching till the very end. You can find this information on irs.gov. Make sure to search for the newsroom updates. All right, let's go ahead and begin. The guidance confirms that when a taxpayer's loan is forgiven based upon misrepresentation or omissions, the taxpayer is not eligible to exclude the forgiveness from income and must include in income the portion of the loan proceeds that were forgiven based upon those misrepresentations or omissions. Taxpayers who inappropriately receive forgiveness of their PPP loans are encouraged to take steps to come into compliance by filing amended returns that include forgiven loan proceed amounts and income. Many PPP loan recipients who received those loan forgiveness were indeed qualified and used the loan proceeds properly to pay eligible expenses. However, the IRS has discovered that some recipients who received loan forgiveness did not meet one or more eligibility conditions, and those recipients received forgiveness of their PPP loan through misrepresentation or omissions and either did not qualify to receive their PPP loan or they misuse the loan proceeds according to the IRS. Now, under the terms of the PPP loan program, lenders could forgive the full amount of the loan if the loan recipient met three conditions. Number one, the loan recipient was eligible to receive the PPP loan. An eligible loan recipient was a small business concern, independent contractor, eligible self-employed individual, sole proprietor, business concern, or a certain type of tax-exempt entity. Was in business owner before February 15, 2020, and had employees or independent contractors who were paid for their services, or was a self-employed individual, sole proprietor, or independent contractor. Now, moving on through the list, it states that if the three conditions above were met under the PPP loan program, the forgiven portion was excluded from income. If the conditions were not met, then the amount of the loan proceeds that were forgiven but did not meet the conditions must be included in income, and any additional income tax must be paid. Moving on, the loan proceeds had to be used to pay eligible expenses such as payroll costs, rent, interest on the business, mortgage, and utilities. The loan recipient had to apply for loan forgiveness. The loan forgiveness application required a loan recipient to attest to their eligibility, verify certain financial information, and met other legal qualifications. All right. Now, moving on, it states that to report any tax-related illegal activities relating to the PPP loan, submit Form 3949-A information referral. Taxpayers should also report instances of IRS-related phishing attempts and fraud to the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration at 800-366-4488. 84. All right, so make sure if this applies to you, you are following the procedures for tax purposes as directed by the IRS. Make sure to comment, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the breaking news information that matters to you most. I am doing the research, so you do not have to.